Hi, my name is Ayali. I'm from Togo and I go to Wongon High School.
Hi, my name is Winnie. I come from Congo and I am from Kyo High School.
Hi, this is Sahar. I'm from Iran and I'm the interpreter for the Persian girls.
Hello, my name is Maria and I'm from Afghanistan and I'm going to Kira High School.
We just come in, have some fun, and then time for us to do acting stuff and learn.
We do a lot of fun things like making new friends, learning new things, having fun. Yeah.
You're not that. Yeah. Are you okay?
Mental health is it's when you're just healthy and happy.
And you learn how to be confident with other people and you get to know other people.
And see if you can be friends with them. Yeah?
It helps to improve their confidence and their knowledge about the mental health, mental illness, and how important it is, especially for the youth.
This program has been a fantastic, great success, and it's going to be really, really interesting and really exciting to see what comes out of this.
So it's really nice project for young people. It's helping them to express themselves, be confident, and practice English.